Hello again, boys and girls, a new day, a new project like in the old times. Well, today it's post day and it's looking like, finally, the things I ordered from AliExpress. Okay, so what I got here, these are 3S 12 volts DC BMS electric tool hand lithium drill powered lithium battery protection board over charge, discharge, short circuit and so on. Why I ordered this? Because I got problems with the battery, with this little battery over here, but I'm afraid this one it's a little bit complex or more complex than what I ordered, but I'm pretty sure this will do the job. Look what I got here. I mean, you can clearly see that this is much more complex than this little guy. But if we take it the other way, all I need is to have a proper control about the charging and discharging the batteries. That's all. I got something there, but it's not enough. So I'm really curious if this new one can do the job. Or is it my machine? Let me check that. I can simply use my power supply. So if we take it, okay, it's something like this. That's plus over here and minus. Oh no! Working! And full LED there. So the machine is fine. You see these burn parts? They are not rusty anymore. I don't know what was happening here. I got it. So here, it's something missing. I got nothing. Something is getting hot. Yeah, out. And it smells. Yeah, let me try to understand what is happening here. We even have a sensor, a temperature sensor. So this guy is just a simple on-off, nothing special. Okay, so let's dismantle this because it's dead in the water. Luckily, this is a very simple one. So I have to modify the charging station to fit the new configuration. Evidently there is no temperature control this time, but I hope it will be fine. So what we got? That's the plus and that's the minus. Okay, what we have on this board. So first of all we have B plus, B minus. I'm afraid I have to get rid of all these connectors. Get out of here. Okay, so we have the bare board. Here is B1, battery 1, C minus, I don't know what's that, but this one is B plus, battery plus and power plus. Okay, so this goes to the output. And here we have B2, B1, B2 and B plus. Like this. We got 3 cells. Okay. So B1 goes all the way around here. B minus goes right here. And then B2 going here. B plus goes right there. This is the schematic. And of course we have this C here, which delivers the input current for charging the batteries. This guy over here. Nice. Plus is going with the power plus. That's the plus. I have to be real careful working with these guys. They are ready to make a fuss in a second on B2. This is just a sensor, so it's not a matter of power. We don't need powerful wires. I meant like that. Here we should have the plus. It's so hot. Okay, this is done. To be sure it's nothing on the way there. Perfect. me have some extra. Good. This is B1 right there. Like that. That's not good. Some more paper. Why paper? Because this one it's really good on temperatures. It's not melting. Okay. Alright. So this is B1. So now what we left is power minus. This one goes down here. Battery minus. This one goes right there. Okay, power minus. Two of these will do the job. So we have two wires. This is powerful enough. Shorter is better. Now the last one, we have to do a minus to here. Strong, of course. Maybe I have this. Yeah, so I got all the connections here. We should have perfect. A single thing I have to do, the last contact here, this T, I'm gonna change it to charging. A piece of wire like that should be more than enough. Can go like this. Perfect fit. That's it. So this is the charging station. Let me see what's happening if I'm just plug this in. I have my power supply right there. There we go. Is it charging? I got no charging current. Why? Probably I need to modify some things. I should have minus here. Oh man, okay. My thought. What about now? Yes. I'm charging. Let's see the voltage on the battery. B minus and battery plus. And growing. Yep. Okay. And here I have a really nice and small voltmeter, plus and minus. Okay, let's wait to see if it's going out on the voltage. So, there we are. It stopped. Exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, I forgot to show you it's working. And look here. I have all the LEDs, super light. That's perfect. We'll see in the future how long it takes, until it's ruined again. But for now I'm satisfied, and it's looking like it's doing the job. Yes, like always, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, push the like button, I'm waiting your comments, and of course, until the next one, have fun. Oh, thanks to my sponsors, Radu, Chuck and Vlad from Mafia Records. Thank you guys. Have a nice summer, everybody. Bye.